Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on change wallpapers, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got wallpaper services, colors, graphical and featured. All of those are pre-installed, and here we've got also our own gallery, so of course you can choose something from your own photos. Alright, so after choosing the wallpaper, simply tap on it. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen or both. I'll choose both options and let me tap on next. So here we can check how it will look like on the full screen, so if you're happy with your choice, tap on done in the right upper corner. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.